Striebig's digital measuring system in either the x-axis or the y-axis can be a great addition to the machine if you need accuracy, absolute repeatability, or in cases where your operators may struggle to read the tape measure, or in cases where your material may be so expensive that mistakes are costly and want to be avoided at all costs. This is the x-axis digital measuring stop, which moves right to left, so measuring for vertical cuts. And you can see that there's nothing in the display now because it's gone to sleep or I've turned it off. When I want to use it, I simply press the display on. It comes on and asks me to reference it. I simply move the stop all the way to the left. It knows where the zero reference point is and comes on to reference from the main cutting station on the saw. The advantage here is that all I have to do is get close to the dimension that I want, lock the handle in place like I would on my normal measuring stop, and then with the red thumb wheel I can dial the display right into where I need to be. And the stop is digitally accurate to 5/1000 of an inch. Also, I can add the difference for the next cutting station down to the right simply by pressing the button, the second button from the left here, and that automatically adds the 40 inches that the cut stations are apart. So this would be measuring now from the station to the right of my main cutting station. If I press the button again, it measures from 2 stations to the right, or adds 80 inches in this case to the measurement, no matter where the stop happens to be. If I need it to come back to my main cutting station, I just press the button 3 more times and it comes back to referencing right from where my main cutting station is. It operates on a simple wafer type battery, which should last at least 6 months or more. To replace that, we simply remove the end stop on the far left end of the machine, slide the stop just off the left end of the machine, and simply replace the wafer battery and slide things back on, put the stop back on the end of the profile. Again, it's great for repeatability, digital accuracy to 5/1000 of an inch, and for keeping the operators from making mistakes. It's not necessarily faster than setting the stop on the tape scale, but it definitely is going to be more accurate for you. I can easily go into the parameters or the programming mode of the stop here to adjust things like the unit of measure from inches to metric, to calibrate the stop, or to set the amount of time that before it goes to sleep after a period of inactivity. That's all available in the parameters simply by pressing these 2 buttons simultaneously, scrolling through the parameters to the one I want, going into the parameter, making a change, storing the change, and then backing out of the parameters.